Santa-inspired beard products. That's right, guys. And I hope nobody takes this as a novelty, because what Santa George Smithers is building, it's a legitimate beard care line with premium products, presentation, and a strong ingredient approach behind it. There's passion behind this brand, guys. Now, before I get too far into this, it's obvious that I've got 2 bottles here of oil that don't have labels on it. Santa George's label maker wasn't working at the time because he's brand new, just getting these oils out, but don't have no fear, they're working now. Remember, this is a micro batch, handmade to ordered. So the oils that I've been testing are unlabeled sample bottles. And I'll also say this, these are a generous 2-ounce size, which is a nice touch because you're getting a lot more product for your money. Now, one of the first things that jumps off the page at me is the focus on a multi-oil blend. We're not talking about a basic 2 or 3 oil formula here. This beard elixir here features 17 oils, and that's ambitious. Yes, you've got ingredients like baobab oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, castor oil, rosemary oil, black castor oil, tea tree oil, and vitamin E oil. And that's just to name a few. Oils known for conditioning, softness, moisture retention, and supporting a healthier skin base underneath the beard. And what I like is the blend is designed to do more than just coat the beard. It's built to nourish it. Now, scent-wise, this beard elixir really stands out to me. And what surprised me the most, well, let me take a little scent. It is absolutely wonderful. You can see I've already used half of the 2-ounce bottle. It's peppermint, but not the kind that punches you in the face and makes your eyes water. This is a smoother, medium strength peppermint scent. It's clean, refreshing, and it really lasts. And what really makes it interesting is the way the carrier oils are layered together, because even though there is no citrus or fruity notes listed, there's almost this subtle fruity background hiding underneath on the dry down. It's not overpowering, just smooth, rounded, and really well blended. It gives the scent more depth and makes it feel even more premium. Now let's talk about the Santa Reserve Elixir here, guys. This one takes it into a little bit different direction. I've been wearing this one the last couple weeks at night. It's infused with myrrh and cinnamon. It's warm, it's rich, it's refined. This is more of an evening scent for me. It's something classy, something with presence. It's not loud, but so sophisticated, guys. This could be possibly one of my favorite scents of all time. I absolutely love it. All right, guys, let's talk about Santa George's Beard Butter Hybrid here. I really find this one interesting, guys, because it isn't just positioned as just a butter. It's a hybrid between a balm and a butter. That means you're getting the moisture and the conditioning, some styling control, and longer lasting hold without going full heavy wax balm type deal. You know, some of y'all don't like that wax feeling in your beard. I personally don't mind it. Ingredient wise, you're seeing things like shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, kokum butter, jojoba oil, castor oil, argan oil. So this is clearly built around softness, nourishment, and manageability. Guys, the overall theme I get from this brand is lasting tradition, legacy, confidence, and craftsmanship. And honestly, that fits the man himself, Santa George, so perfectly. At the end of the day, this doesn't feel like somebody slapping a Santa image onto a beard product. It feels intentional. The ingredient profiles are thoughtful. The blends are unique, guys. This took them 3 years to come up with this. The products are built around an actual beard health. And if you're somebody who appreciates premium oil blends, classic masculine grooming, and a little old world character, then Santa George Smithers grooming products might be worth checking out. Because at the end of the day, you're not just getting beard product, you're getting a beard experience.